So this is a thunderstorm in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I am trying to capture it as best as I can. My battery may die, but this is as much as I'm getting, and it is amazing. We're looking for the best view. We've gone from side to side, floor to floor, looking for the best view. Jessica is now looking for roof access. Hopefully, maybe she might get it, and maybe we won't get struck by lightning. I love thunderstorms, man. Amazing. Jessica's back.
My fear of heights is like really strong these days.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but like being on the 6th floor freaked me out a little. Up there, like on the stairs, and seeing